Today I will show you a few things that you can do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Samsung Xcover 4S. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode. How to activate it? You will find a manual to your device, or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But if it's still not for your phone, let's start from the simplest way: just restart the Bluetooth connection, switch it off and switch it in again. You can also try to restart your phone. In the next step, let's open settings. Then go to the general management and select reset. Now tap on the network settings. Choose the reset settings button and tap on this button again. In the last step, try to upgrade your system, so go to the settings and look for the software update. Choose the first option, and if you have any updates, just install it and check for your device again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.